Alright, so I think I'm recording. We're taking a look at the semester review problems. Um, this was actually from Skill Packet 5 is how we numbered it. Exponential functions and logarithmic functions. I cut and pasted the properties of log functions that you really need to know and be aware of in this skill packet for most of these problems. And specifically for this one, they want us to use these properties to write this as a single logarithm. So the first term here, by the power rule, I can take that exponent 6 and move, or excuse me, coefficient 6 and move it up as an exponent. So I've got log base 3 of x to the 6th minus log base 3 of 2x minus 1. And then again by the power rule, that 1/2 comes up as an exponent, and I have log base 3 of y raised to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to focus my attention moving left to right on these two terms, which is subtraction. And by the quotient rule, if I'm subtracting two logs with the same base, I can write it as a single log of the numerator over denominator. I can write it as a single log as log base 3 of x to the 6th over 2x minus 1. And now I still have plus log base 3 of y to the 1/2. I have addition, so by the product rule, if you're adding two logs of the same base, you can write them as a single logarithm, and that's what they want us to write it as a single logarithm. So when I multiply these together, I'm going to put this over 1, and when I just multiply the numerators together, x to the 6th times y to the 1/2, and 2x minus 1 times 1 is just 2x minus 1. So I've done what they wanted me to do. I've written it as a single logarithm. There are some people that may recognize that you can have another answer, and if it was multiple choice, you need to be aware of it, that the y to the 1/2 can be written as the square root of y. So you've got x to the 6th times the square root of y. It says the same thing. So there we go. There's our answer for number 40. I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.